Hey, lovely English learners. Welcome back to another power-packed episode of our podcast. Today's topic is something that might just change the way you learn, live, and grow. It's called Train Your Brain to Win. Because believe it or not, winning isn't just about skill or luck. It starts with what's happening up here in your mind. Let's talk about how to make your brain your biggest cheerleader instead of your worst critic.
That already sounds deep. You know, so many people think success comes from talent alone, but honestly, it's mostly about how you think. If your brain is always doubting you, second-guessing everything, you'll block your own progress before you even begin.
Exactly. It's like planting a seed and then yelling at it for not growing fast enough. We've got to change the way we talk to ourselves. If you keep saying, "I'm bad at English," or "I'll never be fluent," your brain hears that as a command. And guess what? It follows.
Ugh, I've done that so many times. Like, I'd mess up one word and immediately think, see, I'm terrible at this. But what if instead we trained our brain to say, okay, I made a mistake, but that means I'm learning. Feels different, right?
Yes, that's the shift. That's how winners think. They don't see mistakes as proof of failure. They see them as feedback. Training your brain means building new habits of thought, like celebrating small wins, saying, "I'm getting better every day," instead of, "I'm not there yet."
So it's not about lying to yourself. It's just about choosing thoughts that help you grow instead of shrink.
Right. Imagine you're going into an English exam, or even just a conversation with a native speaker. What would be more helpful? Thinking, "I'm probably going to mess this up," or thinking, "I've prepared for this, I'm ready, and I'll do my best." Even if you're nervous, the second one puts you in a winning mindset.
It's wild how much our brain listens to the story we tell it. And the good news is we can rewrite the story. Even if we've been negative for years, we can still hit reset.
Yep. Every time you catch yourself thinking something like, "I can't do this," pause, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, "Would I say this to someone I love?" If not, don't say it to yourself either.
Ooh, that's a good one. So basically, train your brain like you train a muscle. Don't expect results overnight, but keep showing up with patience, kindness, and a winner's mindset.
Exactly. Because when your brain is on your side, you don't just learn faster, you enjoy the process. And honestly, that's the real win.
So, to everyone listening today, start noticing your thoughts. Challenge the ones that hold you back and replace them with thoughts that lift you up.
Yes, train your brain to win, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Thanks for tuning in, lovely learners. Keep believing in yourself, and we'll see you in the next episode.